Warning, hostile count increasing.
Not it! Too slow! Hey! You hear me?
You came?
Yeah, and now you don't panic.
Enemy count exceeds safe combat parameters.
Okay.
Recommend retreat.
Denied.
Probability of success 14%.
Good enough. Kids, close your eyes.
Why?
Core output maximum.
Trust me.
No way. Did you destroy all of them?
Mostly.
This entire video was generated using the official Seedance 2.0 with no annoying restrictions and no generation limits, and everything created inside one single AI platform. Not just videos, this platform gives you access to image generation, video generation, music tools, and a lot more, all in one place. It even offers unlimited generation options, so creators can focus on creating instead of worrying about credits. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I created this complete cinematic result from character creation to final video, all inside one platform. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. Meet Litmedia AI. It's your all-in-one AI platform where you can access all image and video models in one place. They've also officially added Seedance 2.0, one of the best AI video generators, and you won't face the usual restrictions. Plus, you also get access to other new and powerful models here. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you land on this dashboard. Litmedia is an all-in-one AI platform where you can generate images, videos, music, and a lot more, all in one place. You get access to all the latest models right here, so there's no need to switch between multiple tabs or pay for multiple subscriptions. Litmedia also gives you trending Seedance 2.0 preset videos that you can use to create similar videos with your own face. That means you don't need to search for prompts, everything is automated. So first, let's create images. Click on AI image, and here you can generate text to image to image, and image effects. I'm going with text to image. Next, select the image model. As you can see, all the top models are available here. And GPT image 2 currently free for limited time, so I'm choosing GPT image 2. For my video prompts, I took help from ChatGPT. First, I'm going to generate a character sheet for my character, so I paste my prompt, then select the aspect ratio, set the resolution to 4K, recommended, and choose high quality. After that, click create, and it starts generating our character sheet. And here is the result. The character came out super detailed and consistent with the prompt. The quality looks amazing, facial details are sharp, and this character sheet will help us keep the same appearance across all upcoming scenes for more professional and cinematic results. So now we have our character image. Let's create the first scene image. Simply click on Edit Image, and it will automatically add the character as a reference image and open the image-to-image section. First, add the attached image as your reference, then enter your prompt. After that, keep the rest of the settings the same as before. Now click Generate, and it will start creating the first scene while keeping the character design consistent. And here is the result. As you can see, the character consistency looks really good, the details are preserved perfectly, and the scene matches our prompt very well. This gives us a clean and cinematic first scene that we can use for the next step of video generation. So using the same steps, I generated all the remaining scenes. With Litmedia, you can generate multiple images and videos at the same time, which makes the workflow much faster and helps save a lot of time. This is really useful when creating longer videos because you can prepare all your scenes in one go instead of generating them one by one. And now let's convert these images into videos. Simply click on AI Video, and here you can generate videos from text, images, and even extend or edit existing videos. I'm using image to video. First of all, select the video model. And as you can see, all the top models are available here with both new and older versions. For this video, I'm going to use the official Seedance 2.0, which can generate different types of videos with great quality and flexibility. You also get Seedance 2.0 VIP, which is optimized for faster and ultra-fast generation. One of the biggest advantages here, Seedance 2.0 Standard delivers the same high-quality output while costing 40% less than VIP and even 40% less than other Seedance versions available on the market. So if you've been comparing different platforms or waiting for a more affordable option, this gives you premium cinematic results without paying extra. For this tutorial, I'm using the official Seedance 2.0 model. Because it's 40% cheaper than others, it saves a lot of credits while still delivering the same quality. We can generate videos using start and end frame, multi-frame, and reference to video mode. I personally recommend using reference to video because you can add multiple reference images and videos to maintain better scene and character consistency. So I'm adding my character sheet and the first scene image as references. Then I paste my prompt and include all the dialogues directly inside the prompt. After that, select the video duration. You can generate videos up to 15 seconds long, then choose the video quality and aspect ratio. Finally, click Create, and it will start generating the video. The best part is that we don't need to wait too long because the generation is really fast. And here is the result.
Containment failed. Multiple infected signals detected. Civilian rescue no longer authorized.
Please, somebody help us!
Kids.
Do not enter infected zones.
Yeah. Good thing I wasn't asking. Hang on. Come.
As you can see, the motion looks smooth, the character remains consistent, the expressions and details are preserved, and the final output feels much more cinematic and professional. And you can also extend the video, enhance it to HD quality, and even edit the video if you are not satisfied with the generated result. So now let's generate the next scene. This time, I'm using the second scene image along with the character sheet as reference images to maintain consistency. Then I paste my prompt, including all the dialogue. The duration, quality, aspect ratio will remain same. After that, simply click Create, and it starts generating the video. And here is the result.
Warning, hostile count increasing.
Not it! Too slow! Hey! You hear me?
You came?
Yeah! And now you don't panic! Okay, we're doing this the hard way.
As you can see, the character stays consistent, the motion looks smooth, and the scene follows our prompt really well. Using reference images helps maintain the same look and feel across all scenes and gives the final video a more cinematic and professional result. So using the same steps, I generated all of these videos. After generating all the scenes, I imported them into CapCut and merged everything together to create the final video. You can also add transitions, sound effects, background music, subtitles, and color adjustments to make the final result look even more cinematic and professional. And here is the final result.
Containment failed. Multiple infected signals detected. Civilian rescue no longer authorized.
Please, somebody help us!
Kids.
Do not enter infected zones.
Yeah. Good thing I wasn't asking. Hang on. Come.
Warning, hostile count increasing.
Not it! Too slow! Hey! You hear me?
You came?
Yeah! And now you don't panic! Okay, we're doing this the hard way.
Don't open! It's infected!
Hey, if I was infected, I probably wouldn't knock first.
You came?
Yeah.
We thought nobody was coming.
Then you waited long enough.
Then they found us! Ethan, what do we do?
You trust me? Good.
Wait, what's happening?
Crimson Rift protocol available.
What is Crimson Rift?
Something expensive. No way!
You're a superhero?
Ethan, no. Superheroes arrive after disaster.
Enemy count exceeds safe combat parameters.
Okay.
Recommend retreat.
Denied.
Probability of success 14%.
Good enough. Kids, close your eyes.
Why?
Core output maximum.
Trust me.
No way. Did you destroy all of them?
Mostly.
We actually survived. I thought we were done. You're the coolest person ever.
I'll write that down.
When I grow up,
Huh?
I want to be like you. Ethan? What's that? No.
Go!
As you can see, the result is amazing. All the scenes are connected smoothly, the character consistency is maintained throughout the entire video, and the overall output looks polished, cinematic, and ready to publish. Litmedia also offers a lot of other AI tools that I didn't cover in this video, so I highly recommend checking them out. And if we talk about unlimited generation, I recommend choosing the Pro plan. It offers video and image generation across multiple AI models, including Seedance 2.0, Kling, VO, and GPT Image 2. It's also the only plan that includes both unlimited video generation and unlimited image generation. Starting at $33.33 per month, this plan is designed for full-time creators who need high-frequency daily content creation without worrying about credit limits. But if you want to test the platform first, you can also check out the other plans and choose the one that fits your needs. And remember, you usually won't get access to the official Seedance 2.0 model at a price this low. It's 40% cheaper, saves a lot of credits, and still delivers the same amazing quality. I'll provide the link in the description. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, Let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.